Hi everyone, and welcome to RapzWorldWide software. On this video, you will learn 5 tips on how to gain more subscribers on YouTube. If you're a content creator on this platform, you know how important subscribers are to your success. So, let's dive into some tips and tricks that can help you grow your channel and reach more people. Tip number 1, create engaging content. The first and most important step to gaining more subscribers on YouTube is to create engaging content. You want to create videos that people will want to watch and share with others. You can do this by finding your niche and creating content that is both informative and entertaining. Make sure to focus on the quality of your videos and always strive to improve. Tip number 2, optimize your video titles and descriptions. Another way to attract more subscribers is to optimize your video titles and descriptions. You want to use keywords that are relevant to your content and that people are searching for on YouTube. This will help your videos rank higher in search results, making them more visible to potential subscribers. Tip number 3, promote your channel on social media. Social media can be a great tool to promote your channel and gain more subscribers. Make sure to share your videos on all your social media platforms, including Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and sharing behind-the-scenes content to give your viewers a glimpse into your life. Tip number 4, collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to gain exposure to a new audience. Find other creators in your niche and reach out to them to see if they're interested in collaborating on a video. This can help you gain more subscribers and build relationships with other creators. Tip number 5, engage with your audience. Finally, one of the most important things you can do to gain more subscribers is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show your viewers that you appreciate them. By building a community around your channel, you'll create loyal fans who will help spread the word about your content. So, those are our top 5 tips for gaining more subscribers on YouTube. Remember to focus on creating engaging content, optimizing your titles and descriptions, promoting your channel on social media, collaborating with other YouTubers, and engaging with your audience. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can grow your channel and reach your goals. Thanks for watching.